Tony, how are you?
Good, bro. How you doing?
Doing well. You ready for a second lesson?
Well, yes, sir.
All right, so
Time to hit the big stick now.
believe that it is. You were telling me in our last lesson that was what you struggled with the most. So that's what we're going to get done here in this first lesson is the driver. So when you're, before we hit some shots, I'll let you get warmed up and everything. You've already been warming up a little bit, but when you're missing the driver, is it going left to right, right to left? Like what is it going high, low? You know?
Most of my misses are pulls.
So you're hitting. So you're just it's just starting left, and is it staying left?
It just starts left and stays left.
Yeah.
It's not a draw. My misses are pulls.
Okay.
I've been my objective with my driver for a long time is to hit just a small fade.
Yeah.
I want 10, 15 yard fade, something controllable.
Yeah.
I hit that 70% of the time, 80% of the time. But my misses are, I come over the top, I feel myself come over the top, I try to overcorrect, and then I pull the ball.
So, yeah, it's coming over the top. I think that we're going to do some drills today that really work on path. I'm going to show you some, like where your club face needs to be, the path that your club face needs to be in order for you to hit that little fade that you want to hit. And also, we're going to try our hardest to figure out the reason to why when you miss, you hit those pull shots. I'm sure, which I've seen you take a few swings here. I see a little bit of the over the top, which of course the driver swing's different. We'll look at that once we hit some drivers. But I think that other than the putter, which was the last lesson that we did, driver is the second most important club in your bag, because you're hitting it 10 to 14 times around probably.
Right.
And you know how many times you hit a 9-iron?
Right.
Maybe 3, 4 times. How many times you hit a 4-iron in a round? Maybe twice.
I don't own one, so I don't have to.
Okay. But yeah, I think that the driver, other than the putter, which I think is the most important club.
Well, I mean, yeah, I know putting is the most important, but every round, my score is, I can strictly, if I seen all my drives, I can tell you what my score is going to be pretty much. If I'm 230 and I'm in the, if I hit, I don't hit the ball far, but if I'm 225, 230 and I'm in the fairway with all my drives, I'm gonna shoot a good score.
Yeah.
I mean, it sets my whole tone for my golf game.
Okay, well, if you're ready to get started, you need to warm up a little bit more. I'll let you if you want to get right into it.
Let's get into it.
Yes, sir. Let's get it going.
Yep.